आप पायलट की तरह अब मेरी उड़ान की तैयारी हो गई ड्रेस को कोई बात नहीं भाग लेंगे मजा आ रहा था तो मैं तो भागी रही हूँ 10 बजे से हमारी पिछली कमेटी की मीटिंग तो मैं चली रही हूँ अब मुझे नहीं तो यहाँ पे भाग रही हूँ मुझे आप बैठो अभी थोड़ी अब उड़ान की तैयारी नहीं की है अब आगे जैकेट खोल के पायलट की तरह वीडियो बन डाला चाहिए था आपको अरे जी पायलट सवार टाइम हो गया उड़ान का अच्छा इनको सेकंड पेपर चूज करने को बोलोगे ना सेकंड पेपर चूज करेंगे ना बी प्रोग्राम सेकंड वाला कौन सा पड़ेगा डाला हुआ है रुक जाओ वो बोलेंगे नहीं मेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है भागो अपने आप किसको मेजर करना किसको मैटर करना ये मेरी अंडरस्टैंडिंग है थोड़े से बच्चे से साइड कर दो दोनों
Should we start now? Good afternoon to everybody. Very few students are there. I think others are joining online. But anyway, those who are there here, they have opportunity to ask questions in person. And those who are joining from home, they will be losing that opportunity. So welcome to Indraprasth family. At first, I should congratulate all of you. You have got admission in a prestigious college. And first two lists में ही मिल गया आपको, बहुत अच्छी बात है. I'll try to be bilingual so that nobody should feel aloof, elated भी ना हो कि मुझे समझ नहीं आया. So I will be using both languages. You are free to ask questions in any language, English or Hindi. We are ready to answer accordingly. So we have entered in undergraduate curriculum framework 2022, which is under NEP, and we have started with 4-year degree with multiple exits. You can exit after first year, you can exit after second year, third year, means second semester, fourth semester, sixth semester, eighth is end, automatically it is there. And every time you have to complete the credits. What we mean by credits, that we will discuss in coming slides. In the under UGCF 2022, we have two types of courses. One is single core discipline courses and one other is multi-core discipline courses. Single core discipline is honors, we have already discussed in the morning, and now we are talking about multi-core discipline. Multi-core discipline has two further subheadings, 2 core discipline and 3 core discipline. पहले में हमारे पास BA प्रोग्राम होता था और BSc प्रोग्राम. तो BSc program has 3 subjects and BA program has 2 subjects. So we are only discussing 2 core discipline courses because in our college it is only 2 core discipline. So we are not bothered about the 3 core discipline. When you talk about 2 core discipline, it is actually BA program which we say as BA program, but its actual name renamed will be Bachelor in Humanities or Social Sciences. So whatever subjects you will choose, accordingly, I think they'll make it. In total, when we complete 4 years, we will be doing 12 core courses of discipline A. When you have taken the admission, you will be given 2 subjects, Hindi plus history, maths plus computer science, economics or maths. ऐसे ही एडमिशन हुआ ना सबको. Every time you have admitted in a combination of 2 subjects. So let us call one of the subject as subject A and the other as subject B. Discipline A and discipline B. So throughout the discussion, discipline A is one of your discipline B is your another discipline. So we are doing 12 core courses of discipline A and 6 core courses of discipline B. We will explain how. 4 generic elective, 4 general elective oblique discipline specific and 4 generic elective of languages, 4 ability enhancement courses, 6 skill courses, 4 value education courses, and then dissertation if you want, and total in all it is 40 papers. It's not exactly 40, if whatever you are choosing, accordingly 40 is there. It might be less than 40, but it will not go beyond 40. You have got admission according to these combinations. Some of you have, all of you have one of these combinations. For example, if I written computer science as first discipline, this is discipline A, then some of you have economics, others have mathematics or HRM. So the class of economics will be having the students which are belonging to all 3 subjects. So ये नहीं करना है कि सहेली की क्लास है मेरी नहीं है क्योंकि मेरे पास HRM है और उसके पास मैथ्स है. Economics classes are together, each discipline has individual classes and all combinatory students will be coming to the same class. Then we are not bothered right now for up to 8th semester. Let us talk about only semester 1 which is in question right now. We have problem what we have to start with. It is semester 1. We have 2 core courses of discipline combination A plus B, so you have 8 credits. ठीक है? 2 core courses में आपके पास फर्स्ट ईयर में 2 पेपर हो गए, एक कंप्यूटर साइंस का हो गया, एक मैथ्स का हो गया, दोनों में 3-3 क्लास लग जाएगी, एक ट्यूटोरियल होगा और कंप्यूटर साइंस में प्रैक्टिकल होगा. तो 4 क्रेडिट कोर्स हो गए, सो यू आर गेटिंग 2 core courses and then 4 क्रेडिट से 8 क्रेडिट बन गए. One discipline course you have to choose either from A or from B. So for example, if I am taking maths and economics is the combination, so now I have choice. I want to do 2 courses in maths or 2 courses in economics. It's not necessary that the whole class should go to 2 courses in economics if they have taken first as discipline economics. तो इकोनॉमिक्स मैथ्स के कॉम्बिनेशन में कुछ बच्चे इकोनॉमिक्स के 2 पेपर पढ़ रहे होंगे, कुछ मैथ्स के 2 पेपर पढ़ रहे होंगे. सो द डिसिप्लिन ए ओब्लिक इज द नेक्स्ट पेपर विच यू आर सेलेक्टिंग वन ऑफ द 2, राइट? सो 1 डिसिप्लिन कोर्स फ्रॉम ए ओब्लिक बी, तो फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में 1 पेपर वो भी होगा, सो यू आर एडिंग टू 4 क्रेडिट. Then 1 generic elective which is the languages for the first 4 semesters of your course. GEC honors के लिए different तरह है, पर BA program में means जो Bachelor in Humanities and Social Sciences, your GEC is language and that languages are 2 languages. 2 languages में 1 has to be Indian language. तो दूसरी आप अंग्रेजी ले सकते हैं, उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, पर आपको दूसरी हिंदी या संस्कृत में से ही लेनी पड़ेगी. और if somebody has none of Hindi and Sanskrit, then university is giving some provision. We will discuss afterwards. 1 skill enhancement course you have to choose, whose discussion we will be doing at 2 o'clock. 1 value addition you have to do. You have to choose again. That discussion will be at 2 o'clock. And 1 ability enhancement course. This is either environment science or language, and we will come to that. Let us come to ability enhancement course. Ability enhancement course are 4. आपको फर्स्ट से 4 सेमेस्टर में हर सेमेस्टर में 1 पेपर पढ़ना है. It can be either of environment or of language, but it is not your choice that every time you are choosing one of them. In 1 semester, we are fixing you will be doing environment science, and the next semester, 2nd semester, you will be doing language, right? This semester we have given BA program environment science, so all students will be divided in different sections and will be joining environment science classes. And the next semester, you will be given the choice that which language you want to do, Hindi oblique Sanskrit. लैंग्वेज जो हम जीईसी में पढ़ रहे हैं वो अलग है, लैंग्वेज जो हम एईसी में पढ़ रहे हैं वो अलग है. देयर आर डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस. जीईसी लैंग्वेज इज ऑफ डिफरेंट स्टाइल, एईसी लैंग्वेज इज ऑफ डिफरेंट स्टाइल. AEC has condition that both languages offered are Hindi, Indian languages, while in GEC you can have two different languages out of which one has to be Indian, right? तो वहाँ इंग्लिश हिंदी, इंग्लिश संस्कृत, हिंदी संस्कृत दोनों चल सकती हैं. यहाँ पर AEC में आपको हिंदी और संस्कृत में से एक लेनी है, इंडियन लैंग्वेज. और जिनके पास ये दोनों ही नहीं है, दोनों ही नहीं पढ़ सकते, उनका जो भी लैंग्वेज होगा वो अपने ऑप्शन फॉर्म में टिक कर दीजिए अदर लैंग्वेज एंड वी विल टेक केयर ऑफ अकॉर्डिंगली. इफ एनीबॉडी हैज़ डन वन ऑफ द लैंग्वेज इन द स्कूल, प्लीज रेफर टू, it's better that you take that Hindi oblique Sanskrit, because for the third type of languages, which is other languages, college has no facilities, but your classes will be clubbed at some other place or it will be online as the university directs, and whenever there is information regarding that we will share with you. But right now Hindi and Sanskrit classes we are ready to start with. So one of the set will be doing environment science. So this time I have highlighted that BA program whole will be doing environment, while in second semester they will go to language. Value addition courses, there are so many and the college has to choose a few. We have decided to float these many courses. As the word suggests, these are value addition. They are just not the academic courses. They are adding to some morality, values, human values, fundamental rights, all these discussions we are doing here, which is beyond the curriculum, beyond the classroom mainly. So more discussion we will be doing at 2 o'clock. Specially teachers will come who will be teaching, dealing with those courses. They will introduce you these small portions about their course, and then according to your informed position, you should choose the subject. Skill enhancement courses are meant for hands-on training. Hands-on training can be of different type, and that will ensure you or add the profile to you, add to the profile of you, which will help in giving skills, different skills, entrepreneurship, etc., etc. So these are not the classroom teaching classes. These are all practical classes in which credits are 2, but you will be spending 4 hours per week in these classes, and practical classes wherever they are, they will be of 2 hours, so credits will be half. Right? So if you are spending 4 hours for this paper, then credits will be 2. Again, discussion of SEC will be at 2 o'clock at length. Teachers will discuss the papers, their syllabus, their style of methodology of teaching, pedagogy, everything, and then you have to choose accordingly. Now when we are talking about choice, then how to choose? This time you have to choose only the language. GEC as language, तो आपके पास ऑप्शन ही हिंदी संस्कृत, हिंदी इंग्लिश, संस्कृत इंग्लिश, या any other language along with English. क्योंकि if you are doing हिंदी संस्कृत तो इंग्लिश साथ में जुड़ गया. अगर you are not in the position to do हिंदी संस्कृत, then only you will go for third one, then English plus that language will work out. So you have to choose that combination. But in the coming semesters, every time we are saying NEP is a flexible degree, you can create your degree. So how we are creating that degree, that needs to be looked at, and that is possible when we look at the collective 8 semesters. So I am sharing that with you. This is our collective semester 1, semester 2. I think it is visible enough. So semester 1, semester 2, we are almost mirror images. That discipline AB you are taking, then discipline A1, discipline B1, then similar thing is second paper of these. Blue colors are compulsory courses, and then you have GEC, language 1 and 2, for 4 semesters it will go, whatever languages, 2 languages you are choosing now, those languages will stay there for 4 semesters. You can't change in between. So if Hindi Sanskrit is chosen, then it will go for 4 semesters. English से पेपर आपको 2 करने हैं, ठीक है? तो इंग्लिश संस्कृत लिया तो एक इंग्लिश पढ़ेंगे, फिर संस्कृत पढ़ेंगे, फिर इंग्लिश पढ़ेंगे, फिर संस्कृत पढ़ेंगे, और वाइस वर्सा. तो फ्लिपिंग होगा, ठीक है? सो यू हैव टू टेक फर्स्ट 4 semesters. GEC is only language. Then your AEC, we have already discussed, ability enhancement courses, in which we are doing Hindi / Sanskrit, means Indian language, or environment science. This time you are doing in semester 1 environment science, so you don't have to bother right now for this. SEC and WAC you will be choosing after 2 o'clock discussion. All these these syllabi are already been uploaded on the websites of, on the portals of departments in the college website, which I can show you here. This is your college website, and this is academic programs. In academic programs, all departments are there. If you want to find out the syllabi of individual paper, commerce ka, computer science ka, so you can go to the department. Or if BA program has clubbed it at one place, then their last one is BA program, where all syllabi should be there. But I think we are in the process of collecting all syllabi at BA program right now, but individual departments are showing all things. So you can verify from here. WAC and SEC, there is no department specific subjects. So no department will show it on the portal. So from where we have to look at the syllabi. By night, we will be creating a link here under student support in the name of curriculum description, where your WAC listing, SEC listing along with their syllabi and AEC will be available. AEC तो आप environment ही पढ़ रहे हैं तो कोई problem नहीं है. Environment has a department and they have shown it. But if you have to do next semester, then all information will be there. So this link will be live at night maybe, because we are working on it. And according to the information loaded on this, you can find out your SECs and WAC and SECs. So this was the whole thing. Coming to semester 2, again we have the similar thing. The only difference is, instead of SEC, you have choice of taking internship, projects, etc. So according a community service, all these things, guidelines are still awaited from university, but you have choice that SEC may be replaced by some community service. Other things are same. Semester 5 we are coming. Then discipline specific, DSE. It is discipline specific elective course. I have initially started with economics and maths. So now in the second semester, first semester I have chosen economics as my second discipline also. तो मेरे economics के 2 पेपर हो गए और computer science, economics के 2 पेपर, maths का 1 पेपर. So अब मेरे पास first semester में economics 2 और maths 1 है. सेकेंड सेमेस्टर में भी मुझे वही पढ़ना है, इकोनॉमिक्स 2 मैथ्स 1. अब मुझे इकोनॉमिक्स पढ़ते पढ़ते लगा कि बड़ा मुश्किल है, इट्स बेटर टू गो टू मैथ्स. देन आई हैव पॉसिबिलिटी ऑफ शिफ्टिंग इन थर्ड सेमेस्टर ओनली. एक बार आपने थर्ड में फ्लिप कर लिया, उसके बाद वो सारे टाइम वही रहेगा. सो इन द थर्ड सेमेस्टर यू हैव चॉइस दैट यू कैन टेक 2 ऑफ बी इंस्टेड ऑफ 2 ऑफ ए, जो आपने पहले 2 में पढ़ा है. इससे आपके इफेक्ट पड़ेगा टोटल पे. टोटल इसलिए हमको आज टोटल की बात करनी पड़ेगी. दिस इज सेमेस्टर 5th डिसिप्लिन स्पेसिफिक इलेक्टिव. आपकी चॉइस है, आप दोनों में से किस डिसिप्लिन का पढ़ें. अब अगर मैंने इकोनॉमिक्स के ज़्यादा पेपर पढ़ लिए थे, 2 हर बार, यहाँ भी मैंने इकोनॉमिक्स ले लिया तो मेरा इकोनॉमिक्स का लोड बढ़ गया. आई हैव डन इनफ इकोनॉमिक्स, सो इट इज़ adding to my credits that you are more economic credit as compared to maths credit, right? And on the basis of this addition of credits, your degree will change. Okay, so DSCs A and B, again you have choice which one you have to take. 6th semester again you have choice. GEC 5, GEC 6 are the subjects which are not of A/B. GEC का नेचर ही ये है कि दिस कैन नॉट बी फ्रॉम द सेम सब्जेक्ट. Then in the 7th, 8th, if you exit after 6th semester, you will be going by BA program with 2 disciplines, right? जैसे पहले degree थी. But if you are coming to 7th and 8th semester, then till 7th and 6th semester, the subject which has 12 papers. 6 में 2 पढ़ेंगे आप, ठीक है ना? 6 सेमेस्टर हो गए. 6 तो श्योरली है क्योंकि डिसिप्लिन A is to be taken in all 6, discipline B is to be taken in all 6, and third paper was my choice whether I have to go to A or to B. तो अब जब आप 8th सेमेस्टर में आएंगे, then you have to choose discipline 13 जो हमने लिखा है, that will be the subject for which you have done 12 papers. So if you are going for 4th semester, 8th semester, 7th semester means going for 4th year, decide today only that which should be your second discipline, so that you can go to 7th and 8th semester and choose your discipline. Otherwise, if you flip every time, then it will not be possible. That's why university has given just one chance in the 3rd semester to flip, and once you flip, that will be compensated by DSCs, A/B, right? तो आप यहाँ DSCs दूसरे पढ़ लेंगे तो आपके फिर से 12 हो जाएंगे. So unless you have 12 of the same, you will not be able to do 7th and 8th. तो आज के दिन में डिसाइड करने से पहले ये जानना ज़रूरी है. Then you have groups. You can take DSCs. DSCs again discipline specific electives, and GECs are different subject, different from A and B. You can choose any. Then we have a possibility of writing dissertation in the form of thesis or book. Your mentors will be there. You will be given some topics on which you will research and write the thesis. That will be evaluated half till end of 7 and half at the end of 8th. But it will go, same dissertation will go from 7th to 8th. Now when we are talking about 7th and 8th semester and all these disciplines, etc., then major and minor I have written. So the subjects which are giving you more credits and those credits are going to be 80, तो वो आपका मेजर बन जाएगा. ठीक है? So next slide में so we are coming to major and minor. So major and minor is effective only when you are going to 4th semester. Till that time it has no meaning. You are just adding your credits and the culmination will be in 4th semester. In 4th semester, fourth year, whatever you are doing, that will give the major or minor. तो वहाँ पर आपके पास 3 का ग्रुप है. You can have DSCs all 3. You can have 1 DSC, 2 GEC, you can have 2 DSCs, 1 GE, जो भी हमने देखा था. तो accordingly, if your credits are adding 80 in a particular discipline, then that is your major. If you are just left with 28, then it is minor. Or major or minor, degree will not mention it, but your mark sheet will mention that this is your major, this is your minor. And once you have done major in a particular subject, and you are doing research, means you are writing dissertation, university is giving you honors in that particular major discipline and minor, right? So you have an opportunity to convert your BA program degree to BA honors in the major in which you are doing maximum credits, means 80 credits minimum. Then you will be getting that 4th year के बाद you will be considered as bachelor in humanities and social sciences, तो honors in a particular subject. तो इसलिए आज के दिन में हमें ये सब बताना ज़रूरी है, because informed choices should be made. We should not get in between कि हमें पता नहीं था तो हमें पता ही नहीं लग रहा, अब हम क्या करें. So day 1 से whatever you are choosing, plan in your mind what you are going to culminate your degree in and accordingly make the choices. Now when you choose the options, then I have shown the website where you have to check all syllabi, and then we will be sending a form which will be sent to you by your coordinator, Madam Dr. Bindu Das, by night. or evening or by night. In the morning, you will be surely getting on your mails or WhatsApp group. And that form gives all possible combinations. So I have kept the PDF just to share with you so that we can look at how to fill it, what all are there. This is our form. It is IP College 2 core discipline. 1 core wala link nahi bharna hai. We have to do 2 core discipline. So 2 core discipline mein, these are the instructions. Instructions, whatever we are telling in verbally way, we are telling that all have been written here. The important thing is November 6th is the last date. That is most important, by 5. And then another important point is point 11, no application for change. So think 10 times before filling. Form is not editable. One response will be accepted. You fix your mind, you share information with your parents, you share with mentors, guides, टीचर्स, जिससे भी पूछना है 1000 बार पूछिए हमसे, मगर गलत ना भरिए. हम उसके बाद बदल नहीं पाएंगे क्योंकि एक सब्जेक्ट बदलने में हमारी लिंक पूरी खराब होती है. सारा हमारा अरेंजमेंट ऑनलाइन, टीचर स्ट्रेंथ, क्लास स्ट्रेंथ सब हिल जाता है, सारा टाइम टेबल. सो नो चेंज इज एक्सेप्टेबल. प्लीज फिक्स योर माइंड टुडे ओनली. दैट्स वाई वी आर हैविंग दिस सेशन. अदरवाइज बहुत वीडियो पड़े हैं वहाँ UGCF पे, आप कहीं भी पढ़ लीजिए, किस बहुत कॉलेजेस और भी कर रहे होंगे. We are just emphasizing on this fact because you should do whatever you are doing on an informed position. You know what will be the final situation and then you decide what subjects you have to choose. So this capitals में मैंने इसीलिए लिखा है so that you should be sure enough कि change नहीं होगा बाद में. We will not be putting this form and website link because it is a free link. Anybody can fill. So it will be only shared between the students who are our students. So that, and the moment some email is noted here and that is our student's email, that will be considered as the option sent by the student. So be sure that you mail from your email and nobody else should use yours email. Now you have to put admission form. You are admitted by number 22 something. एक लंबा सा नंबर है ना, वो वाला नंबर यहाँ भरा जाएगा. And next time onwards, next semester onwards, it will be replaced by college roll number, your name, your mobile number, SCC option. It's written preference 1, preference 2. Usually we close down sections where less number of students are there. So if your first preference is not workable because of the college infrastructure, you will be given the second preference. So your preferences should be such that if first is not given, you can adjust with the second. It should not be कि मैंने second तो ऐसे ही भर दिया था मैडम, first तो मिल ही जाता है. 99% we accommodate everybody's first preference, but at times due to so many constraints which are administrative constraints, we have to close down a few sections in which less number of students are there. So we go to preference 2 and preference 2 will be then given to the student without asking, right? Here you don't have to write anything, everything is there, you just to tick it. Preference 1 here, and I have written on second SCC, preference 2, and in bold we are writing, these two preferences should be different. अगर आपने बहुत smartness की, दोनों में वही भर दिया, तो हम अपनी तरफ से एक लगा देंगे दूसरा वाला. So your both preferences should be different. Similar is for VAC. This is VAC option. VAC value added courses जिस पर अभी हम discussion 2 बजे करने वाले हैं. Again you have given the names. You have to give first preference and you have to give the second preference. Preferences should be different. Then GEC. We are saying GEC में you have to do 2 languages. So one should be Indian. So combination can be Hindi/English, Sanskrit/English, Hindi/Sanskrit. And if you are doing any other, then just pick it other language. Those classes will not be arranged in our college. Those classes will be collective classes at some college in the form of physical, online, whatever mode, till we are not in the position to tell you, because university is also working on it. So we prefer that if you have done some Hindi or Sanskrit to some extent, please take those languages so that you can be in touch with us, and every problem, whatever you are facing, we can solve it at our end. Because if you are it is online, then the college which is looking after all these things will be responsible for everything. So you have to select one of the combination. For other languages wale combination mein we will call a different meeting and we'll discuss what will be the solution. When we are choosing Hindi oblique Sanskrit or English oblique Sanskrit, there are 3 sets. If you have done language up to 12th, तो आपका हिंदी A, Sanskrit A, English A. If you are done language up to 10th, your Hindi B, English B, Sanskrit B. And similarly for 8th, it is Hindi C, English C, Sanskrit C. So we need the highest level of passing. If you have done English, for example, I am not expecting that such students will be there. For example, if a student has done Hindi up to class 12th, but she is failed, then her status will be up to 10th. 11th में आप पास हैं उसको हम नहीं देख रहे हैं, आप 10th वाला स्टेटस भरेंगे. तो 12th में पास होना ज़रूरी है for 12th, 10th में पास होना ज़रूरी है for 10th, and if you are passed in 10th as well as in 12th, then highest is 12th, तो आपको 12th identify करना है. Okay, that's why I have written highest level of language. हिंदी, संस्कृत and English तीनों में ऐसा ही होगा. Then you have core discipline. You have already chosen 2 A oblique B जिसको हमने अभी कहा. And what else you want, either of A or of B. तो यहाँ पर आपके बहुत सारे sections होंगे. If you are taking in computer science and economics, then in the next section you will be given only choice of computer and economics. This is the case, and here you have to choose one of the 2. तो आप जिसको टिक करेंगे that will be your A oblique B option, and then you will be getting 2 of that. इसकी क्लास सबकी इकट्ठी होगी. जो सेकंड वाला है ऑप्शन है, इसकी क्लास सबकी एक जगह होगी क्योंकि सब अपनी अपनी क्लास में जाएंगे. बट अदर्स में यू मे हैव डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ टाइम टेबल्स, बट फॉर दिस पेपर वी विल बी हैविंग कलेक्टिव क्लासेस एट वन प्लेस बिकॉज ईच स्टूडेंट हैज़ टू गो टू वन सेक्शन. तो ये वाली क्लासेस इकट्ठी होंगी. ये आप ऑप्शंस आप भर दीजिए. द मोमेंट यू विल क्लिक हेयर, योर फॉर्म विल से सबमिट, एंड व्हेन यू सबमिट इट, then a copy will go to your mail. Please preserve it so that you should not forget what you have written. Okay? और इसके accordingly all sections will be made or all discussions will be done. Whatever we are saying that classes will be ABC will be given to you. Hindi ka kha ga, Sanskrit ka kha ga, or English ABC will be given. All these exercises we will be doing on 7th and 8th. 6th is by 5 PM you are filling all these options, and then from 9th onwards, you will be in your classes, whatever are required and whatever you have opted for. And with all discussions, we are giving you best wishes for the next future, for the next 3-4 years, how many years you are staying with us. And that's all from my side, which I can explain to you. You are free to ask any questions. सब कुछ अच्छे से समझा दिया, किसी का कोई सवाल ही नहीं है. चलो उठाया, माइक लीजिए.
Ma'am, if we choose a certain subject in this as the second discipline, we will have to do 1 paper in that.
Yeah, 1 paper per semester, additional.
Okay.
1 is already you are doing because you are admitted in discipline A plus B, and if you choose 1, then you will be doing 2 of A and 1 of B. That's all. No question. I am so happy. अच्छा किसी ने बोला, हाँ मैंने कहा मैं बहुत अच्छी टीचर हो गई हूँ.
Ma'am, can we take GEC and EAC language same?
GEC and
AEC language same?
yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Sure. The only thing is AEC में English नहीं है, तो वहाँ आपको हिंदी संस्कृत ही लेनी है. आप हिंदी ले सकते हैं, संस्कृत ले सकते हैं, कोई परेशानी नहीं है. हाँ, लास्ट डेट इज हाँ. Bindu ma'am, your coordinator will send you or whatever method she'll take, WhatsApp or email, whatever. बेटर तो है ईमेल पे ही भेजें तो, ईमेल पे भेजें तो अच्छा है, ईमेल पे क्योंकि आंसर भी वहीं आ जाएगा, फिर ईमेल पे आएगा, ठीक है, बाय नाइट. वी आर रेडी विद इट, बट इफ़ यू सिलेबस तो डालें ना, तभी तो आप उसमें आंसर भरेंगे ना कुछ. Who else?
Ma'am, after completing 4 years, will the masters will be of only 1 year or that will be of 4+2 or 4+1?
Its plan is for 1 year, but now, right now we have no written documents on the basis of which I can assure you. Wherever interviews we are listening from ministers and VCs, it's the same thing that PG will be 1 year, and after 4 year you can go directly to PhDs if you are doing research and dissertation in the 4th year. But right now, because there is no written document in our hands, we cannot assure. माइक ले लो बच्चे, माइक ले लो.
Ma'am, can we turn our discipline-specific elective into our major?
Yeah, sure. Discipline-specific elective will convert it to major actually, because it will be either of A or of B. तो वो उसमें जुड़ जाएगा.
Ma'am, can we also turn our GEC into our major after that?
हाँ,
4
हाँ.
years? Okay.
Anyone else? That's all? I should pat my back that I'm a good teacher. Nobody has any question. Thank you very much. हाँ, उसने हाथ उठाया, उसको पूछो भाई. उसने कहा नहीं, आप अच्छे नहीं हैं, सुनो.
Ma'am, will I have 2 degrees at the end of 4th year? Like one is honors and one is BA program.
No. When you do 4th year, then you will be getting honors degree with this major, this minor. If you have done research, dissertation, then it will be with research. If you have done some entrepreneurship or project, it will be with project. Whatever you have done, that will be added.
Okay, thank you so
Degree
much.
will be
ma'am.
same.
Thank you, ma'am.
Done? That's all. Thank you so much for my colleagues who were bearing me since so many days. Again, I'm speaking the same thing to everybody. And my students as well who are patiently listening and understood without many questions. And now we are moving ahead with this assumption that everybody is on the same page. Still, if while filling you have any problems, you can approach your teachers. Your teachers who are teaching you discipline, your BA program coordinator, your ASC members or any teacher of the college. जिससे आप बात करना चाहें, वो बैक पढ़ाने आइए, SCC पढ़ाने आइए, आप सवाल कुछ भी पूछें, सब बताएंगे. कुछ देर तक आपको सब मेंटर करने के लिए तैयारी करेंगे ही. जो भी आप पूछना चाहेंगे हम भी रहेंगे. और इन्फॉर्म्ड पोजीशन से आप प्लीज़ फॉर्म फिल कीजिए, क्योंकि बाद में चेंज करना हमारे लिए बहुत मुश्किल होता है. ठीक है? With this, let us come to an end. Thank you very much. 2 o'clock we are again meeting with SCC and WAC. Please be there. Thank you.